If you want to learn mechanics of materials, or you're in university and you're studying mechanics of materials and you're falling behind, or you want to get ahead in class, then I definitely have the resource for you. This is a full free course that I made on mechanics of materials, or solid mechanics. It's available at engineerforfree.com/mechanics of materials. In here, there's over 50 individual tutorials covering all the different chapters of the course. So they start off with stress, that moves on to strain, and then into torsion, pure bending of composite materials. We get into beam deflection. There's energy methods and columns. So each of these is like a 5 to 10 minute video. We can take a look here at what some of them look like. There's just all explanations or worked examples going through all different things that you would find in these courses. So there's just tons in here, guys. You can navigate straight to the videos on the website, or if you prefer just going straight to the YouTube playlist, it's in the description below as well. But if you want to get an idea of what all the thumbnails look like, these are all of the same videos, just in the YouTube playlist. But personally, I prefer navigating it by the website because it has all the different chapters, and also there's practice problems in here if you're interested in those as well. So we can actually open those up. These are for Patreon supporters. If you're interested in joining and supporting my work on Patreon, you get the full worked solution for all these different practice problems as well, covering all of the different chapters laid out in the course. But basically we go over torsion, bending, all sorts of different things in here. And these are all fully worked examples. So for example, if we want to pull up one to see what it looks like, they are fully annotated solutions explaining what's going on and why I'm doing everything. So this would be a reinforced concrete problem, talking about what is the solution, what are we exactly doing, all the measurements we're taking, making commentary on everything and showing all the work. And really, like, if you go through all of these different practice problems and go through all of the videos, there's a very high chance that you will succeed in this course. And for mechanics of materials, this is one of the harder courses or subjects that you're going to find in civil engineering and mechanical as well. So there's just so many places you can go wrong in this course that honestly, if you go through all of the material that I have here, the chance of you passing this very difficult course is actually a lot higher than without. Now, if you want also PDF printouts of all of the videos, I have that as well here, also for Patreons. Basically, this is just a printout that you can also download that has just all of the transcripts from every video. So if you prefer to read, or if you just want this for offline reference or for further studying, whatever it is, just know that this is also available, and this is a very helpful resource, definitely for studying and figuring out what the heck is going on in this course. Now, my recommendation to you, if you're trying to get ahead, or even if you're catching up because you've gotten behind in the course, is if you have the time, honestly start at the beginning and just work through every video and every practice problem going through the playlist. Let's say you're in mechanics of materials and you guys are already at like pure bending of composite materials, but you're super confused and you have no idea what's going on. I would recommend taking a weekend and just going back at the beginning and just watching everyone. You can even turn them up to like 1.5x speed or something like that just to get through a little bit quicker. But they're each only 5 to 10 minutes, and the whole duration of the playlist is only like 4 or 5 hours or something. So if you just sat down and really just crushed through this in a weekend, worked through all of the problems and even did all of the practice problems, you will be building on a lot of knowledge on the more preliminary subjects, you know, starting with stress and then moving into strain. You need to fully understand stress before you move to strain, and then moving into torsion, you need to understand the first two, and then it just keeps building off each other. So if you have the time, or even just a weekend or something like that, I recommend just coming through and going through everything, and you should be feeling much more confident in mechanics of materials after doing that. And if you are looking for more stuff too, there's also a structural analysis course here covering a whole bunch more topics on beam bending, all the different methods. These might look familiar to you or not, but if you're looking for those, these are all here as well. Just tons more examples. And even if you need to go really back to basics and jump into statics, there is an entire whole free course on statics as well. If you really need to go back there, this is also available to you. It's all just on the website. So guys, I hope that is going to be a useful resource for you. It's all on the website, engineerforfree.com/mechanics of materials. The link is in the description below. Please do check out the course, and please do share it with a friend or with the rest of your class that is studying the stuff, so you guys can all rock it and pass your exams. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to see you in the first video of the playlist.